Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share you this beautiful and very charming, very admire mm, beautiful knitting stitch pattern. It is so easy to make. This is how the looks of this pattern. This is our front side view of the pattern, and this is wrong side. This pattern is made of two colors yarn. See what a beautiful look. So this pattern you can use in all ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, in blanket, in vest, in summer tops. You can use in all knitting products you like. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's start to knit. Friends, for knitting a sample, I cast on 13 stitches on my needle. So let's start knitting together. We will use another yarn. We will start from wrong side. We will use another yarn. So we use next color, another color. Now we pull all stitches. We pull this yarn and we pull all stitches. Friends, row 1 is complete, and now we come to right side, row 2, and row 2 we knit, we slip edge stitch and we knit these 3 stitches together and we make another 3 stitches. 1, 1, 2, yarn over and 3. We make 3 stitches with these 3 stitches and we knit 1. There is no decrease. We have make 3 stitches. So this is our pattern, repeat pattern of 4 stitches. Again we knit these 3 stitches together and we make 3 stitches. 1, yarn over 2 and 3, and we drop these 3 stitches and we knit 1. This is our another repeat pattern. We have repeat. Now we repeat last. Now we repeat once again last. We knit these 3 stitches and yarn over and 3, knit 1, and we drop these 3 stitches and we make in this stitches 3 and we knit we knit 1. So now we we use we will use another yarn. Now we knit, we purl all stitches with another yarn. So we use another yarn and with this yarn we make again the pattern. We slip first edge stitch and we knit 2, 1, 2, and here we knit this stitch and this middle stitch, this and this stitch. With these 3 stitches we knit the pattern. We knit 3 stitches together and we make 3 stitches and we drop these 3 stitches. We have no decrease of stitches. Now again we knit 1 here. We repeat it again, these stitches and these middle stitches and this last stitches. These 3 stitches we make another pattern like this. We knit 3 stitches of these 3 stitches and we drop it and we knit 2. So this is our pattern. We knit once more time. We use next color. We knit all purl stitches. So we knit purl. This is our pattern. I have only one repeat here. You repeat this repeat pattern as your desired length. Friends, I hope you will like this pattern. So if you like this pattern, please like and subscribe to my channel and also share and support me. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.